Apple Reminders has a few smart lists that automatically group your tasks. On this phone, I currently have just one visible, flagged, which shows all tasks that I have flagged. I've hidden the other smart lists, but they're easy to bring back. By default, Apple Reminders gives you smart lists for today's tasks, those that are scheduled with any due date on them, completed ones, and those assigned to you when working with others. You can show and hide these smart lists as needed. And they always appear neatly grouped at the top of your screen. Four of the lists in my app are regular standard lists that I've pinned to the top for easier access since I use them every day. I wanted to keep them within easy reach. The other list, this week, is a smart list with just a single filter, and we'll be creating a similar one. You can tell it's a smart list because it has this setting icon, unlike your regular lists. In iOS 26, the way we create lists has slightly changed. There is now a dedicated list icon for creating new lists. And in this case, we want to create a smart one. This opens up a section where you can choose the filters you want to apply. You can decide whether the task should match all the filters you add, or just any of them. From there, you can set tags, dates, time, location, and priorities for your filters. You can also choose which list to pull these tasks from. Let's set up our smart list to include to-dos from our iPhone list, filtered by two specific tags. And we want to make sure that all these filters are applied. As soon as we add those filters, two tasks are automatically pulled into our new smart list. You can always edit and change this if you need to. You have a wide range of filter options to choose from for your date, time, and priority. But your flags, on the other hand, are much simpler and easier to work with. They are either there or not. Smart lists help you focus on what matters by pulling tasks from all your lists into one view. I'll show how I use them to stay on top of my work schedule in another video.